Okay, this is my computer setup, and I wanted to show you something interesting before I start this premiere. The premiere starts in 6 minutes. So I've got 3 screens open. This right here is just my editing software. But I wanted to show you this. I posted this message right here. It says, I want cops to eat all the donuts they want. It may help in part to ensure we can outrun them, and it may even shorten their time in this world, putting an end to their reign of tyranny. Now, watch this. This is between Bruce R. and Ian Copedog, who says, thanks, Brian, I won't let you down. So I want to show you that this message will not appear on this screen, and nobody saw it. Let me show you. See where Bruce says, where's the hell no button? I can't find it either. And Ian Copedog says, thanks, Brian, I won't let you down. So in between these two messages should be my post. Where's that hell no button? I can't find it. Ian Copedog says, thanks, Brian, I won't let you down. They won't let me post that right there. So I split it up. Watch. I split it up right here. Thanks for the suggestion. Thanks for the suggestion. And right under it, I put, I want cops to eat all the donuts they want. It may help in part to ensure that we can outrun them. Here's Bruce's, what's going on, Copedog? Check that out. What's going on, Copedog? Interesting, YouTube won't let me post a comment about cops eating donuts. So the AI or the algorithm will not let me. I think what they have a problem with is it may help in part to ensure we can outrun them. So it'll let me see it, but it won't let anybody else see it. And the AI is so sensitive, it won't even allow you to post a comment that might suggest you outrunning the cops. Let me just show you. I did it again over here. Here, I'm going to, you know what? I'll do it in real time. I want cops to eat all the donuts they want. And it's not about copy and paste either, because I tried this manually as well. I just can't type while I'm holding the phone too. So watch this. I'm going to post here. Let me get all the messages caught up. Okay, Stomper says, eat them donuts, coppers. Stomper says, eat them donuts, coppers. Watch this. I'm going to paste this right there. I want cops to eat all the donuts they want. It may help in part to ensure we can outrun them. Watch. I'm going to hit the send button. Where is the send button? Okay, I just sent it. Watch this. See Super Burl Boy Roy? Super Burl Boy Roy. Touch me, BB. I want to feel your body. Look at this. And then I sent the message, but it doesn't transfer over here. Wow. They will not allow you to say it may help in part to ensure we can outrun them. That's pretty interesting. Let me know what you guys think about that. Have you ever run across a situation where you post a message but nobody can see it because it suggests that we outrun the cops? As a matter of fact, I wonder if they'll even let me post this video. Okay, I just put my phone down. I'm gonna try this. YouTube won't let me post a comment suggesting we outrun cops. Now watch. I'm gonna press send. So here's send. And we're gonna go over, look, Ian Copedog, that's his last message. Ian Copedog, the last message right there. It will not let me post anything about outrunning cops. And I'm going to let this refresh. Matter of fact, let me just say this. Are you seeing my... Oh, wait. Posts. Okay, so are you seeing my posts? Are you seeing my posts? Veritas says, okay. Veritas says, okay. Are you seeing my post? So are you seeing my post went through? Gray Dude says 1. In other words, I see your post. There's Gray Dude 1. Yes, we can. but it will not let me post this donut thing. Here, look, I'm gonna, how about should we outrun cops? Let me see if I can put this down. Can I put that down? I'm gonna try to type this. Should we outrun cops? Okay, watch. I typed that out. Should we outrun cops? Let's see if it comes over. It is not coming over. Look. None of your business says, I see them. Should we outrun cops? Thermal chill says, we are seeing your post, Brian. We are seeing your post, Brian. But should we outrun cops does not show up. So I'm going to start the premiere now. I'll upload this video. This is crazy. Never seen that before. Let me know if you guys have.